Impeachment is a formal process where a government official is accused of wrongdoing, but it is often misunderstood. Let us look at how it works. The term sounds like removal from office, but it is actually the first step in a legal process, similar to an indictment. It requires two separate chambers of Congress to work together. The House acts as the accuser, and the Senate serves as the judge. The Constitution specifies these three categories. High crimes and misdemeanors is a broad term that has been debated by legal scholars for centuries. Crucially, being impeached does not mean the official is removed. Removal only happens if the Senate votes to convict after a trial. The House needs a simple majority to impeach, but the Senate requires a 2/3 supermajority to convict and remove an official. Because it is a political rather than purely criminal process, the outcomes often reflect the political climate of the time. Understanding these mechanics helps clarify how checks and balances function in our system. Subscribe for more educational content on government and finance.